Hey everybody, PourMan here, teaching you how to drink well all around the world. Before we forget, go ahead and click that red button down below and subscribe so you don't miss any of the upcoming adventures, okay? What an exciting time we have today. It started out with 32, and now there's only 2. As usual, my beloved Miami Dolphins are watching from the comfort of their sofas at home. Well, maybe next year. But let's say you're throwing a Super Bowl party and you want some shots to feature, or maybe just one. I'm gonna give you 3 different ones that you can feature at your Super Bowl party and you will be the king of the hill, okay? Wonderful, let's get her started. The first one is called the TART Tequila Taser. I call it the 3T. Real easy, easy to make. We're gonna make it with tequila. Everybody loves tequila. So about an ounce there. We're gonna pour these all freehand just, for the sake of, it's a shot. So how exacting do you have to be? Now, we're gonna do about half again as much of Mother's Pucker. That just never gets old. Mother's Pucker, okay? And then we're gonna top that bad boy off with a little bit of fresh lemon juice, okay? The 3T, the TART Tequila Taser. And you drink enough of them, you'll know why we call it the Taser. Number 2 on our list is called the RASBLURRY, all right? Starts out with just regular old vodka, okay? I generally use gluten-free. PourMan is not gluten intolerant, but a lot of folks are, so just go ahead and put that out into the world. And if you just buy that, and if you happen to be gluten intolerant, well, then now you know where to go. Now we're gonna also use a little bit of SVEDKA Blue Raspberry Vodka. Again, about half again as much. And then we are gonna top that bad boy off with just a little bit. You can use grenadine if you want. For me personally, I prefer syrups that have some flavor. And it's gonna give it a nice little color too, especially when we put it right next to this bad boy here. So this is raspberry syrup, okay? That is the RASBLURRY. Shot number 2 on our list of 3 great Super Bowl shots, okay? Now, number 3, it is called the 151 Mangover. Apparently, Bacardi does not make 151 anymore, but fortunately our friends at Don Q, they do. So, want to be careful with this one. We don't call it the Mangover for nothing. 151, a little bit of 151 goes a long way. So we're just gonna put a little bit in there. And by a little bit, I mean just a little bit. We're gonna have one for the, oh, there we go. And that is not a little bit. Whew, PourMan, still need an assistant to help me drink all these when we're all done. So, more than a little bit of 151. This one's probably not gonna taste as good as it should have had I put the appropriate amount in there, but it's gonna feel good. All right, now number 2, ingredient number 2, Malibu mango flavored rum. Hence the Mangover. Boom, there, okay. And then at last, I get this blueberry syrup. Believe it or not, I get it at IKEA, okay? And you can turn it, you can make it into a drink. It's a concentrate. I actually like to use it as a syrup, okay? We're gonna just put a little bit of that bad boy in there. And now, what we have here is 3 delightful shots for your Super Bowl party. Number 1, the 3T, the TART Tequila Taser, okay? Number 2 is the RASBLURRY, and shot number 3, I call it the 151 Mangover. They're gonna be a hit at your party, and you can even play drinking games. So if you want, team scores a touchdown, take a shot. If there's a penalty, take a shot. Perhaps there's a turnover, take a shot. If you really want to pass out before the end of the game, every time a team gets a first down, make up your own game, but these are some great shots that you can use. So let us try the 3T. Ready? Go. That's pretty good. All right, the RASBLURRY. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Watch me, folks. Hopefully I don't pass out before the end of this video. If I do, just call 911 and send them to my cell phone. They should be able to find the place. Number 3, the 151 Mangover. Well, to get the recipes, not much to it, but to get the recipes and some other cool information, go to pourmanmike.com. And if you push this button right over here, you'll instantly become a Pour Minion, which gets you a head of the line speed pass for each and every new PourMan adventure, plus some other cool stuff as we go down the road. So, till next time, pour well, pour often, PourMan, and we'll see you around. Go Dolphins!